All right, today's lesson will be pages 20 and 21. However, I'm not going to be using page 20 to explain. You all basically know how to use a calculator, and that is today's assignment. So I just have your assignment page up, and I'm just going to give you a little explanation and have you move on to your assignment. You will want to refer to a couple of things. You're going to want to refer to your order of operations here. Not that I think it's too difficult here. I'm looking at these problems, and it looks like you just have one expression. That means there's just one operation to do. However, you definitely will need to know your integer rules: addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division. So what you are doing today is you are going to do page 21, and you're doing only numbers 1 through 8. You're going to completely disregard the math connection. Just understand that in the blue calculators that you can put in the plus and the minus buttons. You can use those. I'm not talking about subtraction and addition. If you decide to use a blue calculator, there is a button that has a plus minus on there. When you put in a number, so for example, if you were going to type in 125 in the calculator, you're going to click 125. Then you're going to click the plus minus button, the button that looks like this, okay? And that will make the 125 negative. Then you would hit the subtraction button, not this button, just the regular old subtraction button, and then you would type in 159, and that will help you calculate. Now, if you're using a calculator on the computer, it will be something similar to here. You'll have to find the negative positive buttons and type those in. So for this page, I only need answers. You can use a calculator, the blue calculator in class. You can use a calculator at home if you're doing the online learning, or you can use the calculator that is on your Chromebook. Either one is perfectly fine. Remember, you're not doing the bottom. 1 through 8. Now, I will tell you, you will have additional calculator work problems that will be in the worksheet format where you will just have to give me your answer as well. So we're practicing how to put positive and negative numbers in a calculator. That is your assignment, 1 through 8, and then you'll also have the additional attached to Schoology. Okay, you can go to work.